I'm Samuela Papotto and I'm Italian. I came to Rotterdam in 2012 because of my study. I did an audition for Codarts, University of the Art, and I was admitted as a first-year student for the dance department. I separate my life in Rotterdam in two periods, like the couple period and the single period. I was lucky because I already had someone in Rotterdam. My ex-boyfriend at the time was living here already. He took care of all the difficult part of living in Rotterdam. So up to the couple period, which is basically the Codarts period, while I was also studying. Of course, all my friends were like related to the education I was doing. So they were mostly dancers. A lot of Italians as well, because of course we meet and we stick together. I dance since when I can remember, so I cannot explain what it means, because it's something that is so part of my life that I cannot imagine my life without it. To dance, for me, the whole performance experience is what I cannot miss at the moment. I do need the audience, I do need the theater, I do need to feel an exchange of emotions and informations with the audience. That's the reason actually why I dance today. Italy is, I wouldn't say Italy is home, because I feel Rotterdam is home right now. But I have a really strong connection with Italy because it's my origins. My whole childhood is there, my whole past life is there, my whole family is there. I love the country, I love my land because it's my land, but I would not call it home because I would not feel comfortable in living in as a person I am today. First of all, I believe that whoever comes to any place, Rotterdam or anywhere, they for sure need to start with being adaptable. Definitely. In a moment you understand, in the moment you're open for any new things, already your life is easier 50% more. In a moment you're open for new things and open for new people and trust people as well, you will find help by anyone, literally.